to my channel. So today's video is not going to be a workout video. I know you guys are like, why are you dressed like you're about to work out? I actually just got done working out. Today's video is going to be all about decorating our house with the Christmas decorations. So today we are actually going to this is the Santa actually that we put together. But today's video is going to be us decorating the Christmas tree. Some of this stuff I wasn't able to film because Kamden was not having it that day, so I got whatever I could on camera. But aside from that, let's go ahead and dive into this video. I wanted to show you guys a before. So here's my living room before I even start cleaning. As you guys can see, it's really messy. The couch, the floors, the toys is everywhere. The counter's got everything on it. So yeah, I just want to show you guys what I'm working with before I even start the process of cleaning. So I'm just grabbing my cleaning bucket. It has all my supplies in it, so I'm Cinderella for the day. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and head to the bathroom. That's the first thing I normally clean. So I'm just showing you guys this pumice stone. If you guys have hard stains in your toilet, like that ring, this is normally what helps take it out. So I just wanted to show you guys if you guys didn't know what this is. So yeah, I just go ahead and put my gloves on and then my mask because you know, guys know I'm pregnant and I'm using Ajax and I don't like the smell and the smell is not really good for you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean my toilet inside. And while I was cleaning the toilet, I felt water inside my glove, and obviously I checked and there was a little hole. So I just continued to clean because I was like, might as well, because I already have water in my glove. And then I'm just grabbing Clorox wipes to clean the outside surface of the toilet. So once I'm done with the bathroom, I just go ahead and clean up the kitchen area because it's so messy. Everything is everywhere. So I'm just putting everything where it's supposed to be. Once I tidy up everything and put everything away where it's supposed to be, I just go ahead and grab the cleaning stuff and I start cleaning. Now this multi-purpose spray that I'm using right here, it is so good. I use it on everything when it's time to clean. It's the rosemary scent and the brand is called Miss Myers if you guys haven't heard of it. You can buy it at Target, but I got mine at Bed Bath Beyond. I just so happened to see it and I picked it up and I just really like it because it's like non-toxic and it's just pretty much healthy for the environment, so that's why I use it to clean. So I normally wake up 5 or 5:30 every Sunday morning to clean. I normally do this because it's easier for me to clean when nobody is awake. I have nobody in my way when it comes to cleaning. Every Sunday is my cleaning day, so you would catch me in the house cleaning early in the morning. And I always clean my dish rack. It saves me money by going to the store and having to buy a new one. So yeah, I've been using it for about 1.5 years now. And I always have to sweep under the couch because the kids always have something underneath the couch. There's always something, a toy, something of mine I probably kicked underneath. Now I finally got a toy storage for my kids' toys. I was going crazy with all the toys being on the ground. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to go ahead and put all the toys in the storage bin. And I got this at Ross. It was $9.99, so I had to pick it up. I actually bought two. The other one is actually in the storage closet being used right now. My living room, it has always been a toy area, especially when Kimira was little, so I guess it's just a tradition to have the toys, you know, in the living room. You guys are probably wondering why I have the kids' toy mat underneath our living room rug. It's because my husband had the idea to keep it underneath our rug because our rug, as you guys see, is not as soft as we wanted it. But we are on the hunt to find a nice rug that's affordable and we can use that's bigger than the one I have currently. As you guys can see, it's a little bit small, but yeah. Oh, and I love my little vacuum. It can break down 3 different ways. It's the Bizzle brand, and I got this on Black Friday, and I have been using this on constantly. It's really good on hard floors. It picks up all the stuff. I don't have to always constantly sweep whenever the kids, you know, drop crumbs or something. So here's the area that my kids eat their dinner, breakfast, lunch, anything on, watch TV, whatever. They do it here. And I'm just using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray to clean it up. And this table actually, if you don't keep it up with being clean, it can actually get really messy. And the stains can be really hard to get off. And then I'm just going to go ahead and clean the part of the windowsill here because it has a lot of dust sometimes. So that's why I try to clean it every other Sunday, or whenever I see that it's getting dust, I just go ahead and clean it and use my multi-purpose spray to wipe it up. So now that I'm done cleaning the entire house, I actually ended up cleaning the upstairs as well, but I didn't film that. Obviously, you guys didn't see. But I'm just going to go ahead and start the Christmas decorations. I'm decorating the basket that I was showing you guys that I was going to leave on my kitchen countertop. So I ended up putting the candle in the middle of this basket, but I ended up taking it out later because I realized that's a hazard. If I were to light this candle up, it'll probably light this whole thing on fire. And I ended up just putting ornaments inside of the basket as well as chocolate, candy canes, and things like that. So I don't think a candle being in the middle of this basket was a good idea.
So this is what I have so far, guys. So I have the table mat. I put the table mats on my kitchen counter. I'm gonna fill this up with ornaments, and then I'll show you guys the finished results. But this is what I did here. I know it's kind of sloppy, but I just threw random like chocolates, ornaments are in here, candy. This will probably be empty by the time Christmas is over. And then this one actually turns on, so I also covered it light, so I'll give you guys a little snippet of what it's gonna look like. So I just turn it on, see? So I got that for the nighttime. And I'm debating if I should put ornaments on here, I don't know. But it looks good so far. Another placemat here, and I have the little Christmas tree I was showing you guys, and then the chocolate here. This is what we have so far.
Now it is time to put up the tree. We actually put up the tree earlier in the day and then waited in the evening to decorate the tree because I don't know why we did it that way. We just ended up doing it that way. And this is the second Christmas where we are using our fall Christmas tree. This is actually kind of messy, but it looks super nice. We normally have a regular like green Christmas tree, but we had to do a little snow looking theme for the Christmas tree. But I actually really love this tree. Like, this is my favorite tree. Growing up, we always had the green regular Christmas tree, but the frolic Christmas tree is like a little step up from a regular Christmas tree. What do you guys think? Now it's time to take out the red storage bin. You guys know about the storage bin, right? All the Christmas stuff in it. So I'm just taking out my wreath for my door. And I've been using this for 3 years now. And it's still looking good. I love the color scheme and everything like that. It matches the tree. But anyways, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put that up. And while I'm decorating the inside, my husband's actually outside decorating the outside of the house with Christmas lights and candy canes and snowmans and things like that. Last year we waited last minute to put up the lights, and it felt like once Christmas was over we were already taking down the Christmas lights. It was kind of annoying, so I made sure that my husband put up the lights right when it was December 1st. So here I am. I was struggling to undo this garland. Is this what it's called? Is that what it's called? Garland? But I was struggling to undo this. I don't know how they tied it up so tight, but it took me a minute. I couldn't even get on camera because it was too dang long. But I finally managed to get it up. Now the only problem is that I had to get it up this rail, like to twist it around the wall here, or the pillar right here, as you guys can see. But the thing is, I could not reach the top, so it was just a struggle. And I just had to wait for my husband to do it, because last year I climbed on top of this banister here to put it all the way at the top, but as you guys can see, due to heavy load here, I can't climb up here like I normally would do. So here I am. I was actually literally thinking like, how am I gonna put this up there? And I was like, nah, I'm too pregnant for this. So now it's a little later in the day. I think it's around 6:15. So we're gonna go ahead and start decorating the tree. I told Kimira to help me put the skirt on, and she's just staring at me. So my pregnant son had to get behind the tree and attach the skirt. Woo! So I went ahead and started decorating the tree with ribbon. This is my first time ever trying out ribbon. I know there's like a certain technique where you're supposed to go inside the tree and then outside the tree. I don't know, but all I know is that I ran out of red ribbon, so I couldn't go all the way down. But it was a good thing I had my silver ribbon to finish off ribboning the tree. So I went the opposite way when I put the silver ribbon on the tree. I don't know why I did that. I just thought it'd be cool. I don't think it makes a difference. Guys, it is not easy wrapping the tree with ribbon, especially if you have to go around. I kept having to put the rest of the ribbon in the back of the tree and then walk around and then grab it. Oh my gosh. And bending down like this, ooh, my back was hurting. But I felt like the tree actually looked good, even though I ran out of red ribbon. I feel like the little color scheme that I did, the tree turned out looking good. Now it's time for the ornaments. You guys, Kamden kept pulling the ornaments off of the tree. I don't remember Kimira doing it at this age, but I think it's because Kamden, he always plays with like his basketball, his soccer ball, his football. He always is throwing it. So I think that's why he's grabbing the ornaments, because he thinks they're balls and he's just throwing it. It's a good thing I got the shatterproof ornaments, because if I got the real kind, ooh, my goodness, I'd be sweeping up the whole entire floor. So I decided to just put the red, white, silver, and black bulbs on the tree rather than just having green and gold. Kimira kept trying to put gold and green, but I was like, no, that's not how we're trying to do the color scheme on this tree. And Kamden was so upset. I kept telling him no to grabbing the ornaments, as you guys can see. He's like, no! My husband had a hard time putting that star up on the tree. He actually ended up breaking the stand of the star, and he just ended up placing the star on top of the tree like that.
Alright guys, so it's the next day, but I want to show you guys how I did the snow blanket. I actually have this snowman here and then the Santa stop here, and I just went ahead and put the other snowman. And then I had the calendar next to the tree, and then here's the pine cones. I told you guys that I had the glimmer snow, so that's what I did for underneath. And don't mind these bulbs, Kimira did this. Went ahead with our stockings and I hung it right here. I'm probably gonna move the stockings probably right next to the calendar, but I'm not sure yet. I also have to get Kamden one, so that's one thing. Went ahead with the garland. You guys saw me struggling with the garland, but my husband actually put it up. He wrapped it on the wall here. So here's the bathroom, and you guys see how I set that whole thing up. It's so cute. And then here I have the Santa and then the other tree. That's pretty much it on this home decor video for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye guys.